Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Custom Party Favors. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create your own custom gum wrappers using Canva. Whether you need a last minute teacher gift idea or want to add a special touch to your party favors, this tutorial has got you covered.
Here's what you'll need to create the custom gum wrapper. The gum wrapper template which we'll be creating. Access to Canva, either the free or pro version. Extras gum, 15 sticks package. A printer, glossy photo paper or your choice of copy paper. We recommend HWTK's new custom party favors, glossy photo paper which will be available soon. But we will also provide some other recommendations below. You will also need a pair of scissors or a paper trimmer to cut the gum wrappers. And we will show you how to save and cut them in Cricut Design Space. Finally, you will need double-sided tape or hot glue to assemble the wrappers.
To get started, you want to head on over to canva.com and log into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. You can also use our referral link to get a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. Once you're logged in, click on Custom Size, make sure it's in inches, set your page size to 3.11 by 7.13 inches. Then click on Create a New Design.
Next, go up to Elements and choose a square shape from Lines and Shapes. Add it to your page and use the measurements shown to create the gum wrapper template layout.
So once you have created the label layout, you can start designing it by changing the colors, adding text and images.
You can design the wrapper to look similar to the original or create something completely different. If you don't want to go through the hassle of creating labels from scratch, you can download our gum wrapper template from our website. We've already done the hard work for you by designing the template layout and pre-designing the wrappers, making it extremely easy and convenient for you to personalize the wrapper to your liking. The template comes with two options, a full-page template and a single label template. The full-page template is best if you're wanting to print multiple wrappers on the page and cut out the gum wrappers using scissors or a paper trimmer. With the single label template, you can save your design and upload it to Design Space to print then cut the wrappers out with your cutting machine. If you prefer working with the single label over the full-page template option, you can also save the single label image and upload it back in Canva to add multiple wrappers on a full page. We'll be demonstrating both options, so you can choose the method that works best for you.
When you click the template links provided within the PDF file, it's going to take you directly to Canva. Select the option to use the template for a new design. That way you always have a copy of the original.
With the pre-designed template label, customization is a breeze. You can simply personalize the wrapper text to your liking. You also have the freedom to tweak the design by adjusting colors adding or removing images, and modifying text. You can also edit the nutrition facts label to fit your event theme.
Here I'm just showing you how you can use an image as your background. Here's a quick example on how you can design the labels for multiple flavors of gum. So once you're happy with your design, you can save it. And whether you're cutting out by hand or uploading it in Design Space, this is how you want to save it. So you want to go up to the Share tab and you want to save your label as a PNG image with a transparent background. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, you can remove the background in Design Space. First, we're going to guide you through adding multiple wrappers on a full page in Canva. So after saving the wrapper, go back to Canva's home page and create a custom page size of 11 by 8.5 inches. Next, upload the saved wrapper image and add it to your page.
After adding the image to the page, you will need to resize it back to its original size. I usually go to the Position tab to input the exact measurements, but when I did that, it cropped out the label's rounded corner. To avoid this issue, it's better to manually resize the image.
After resizing your image, you can duplicate it to fit multiple labels on the page. Save your design as a PDF print file for the best print quality in Canva. So before printing, I want to go into my printer settings. I'm going to select the printer that I'm using. I want to make sure I'm printing the actual size. I'm going to select glossy photo paper for my paper type. And I want my print quality set to best. Next, we're going to show you how to upload the label in Cricut Design Space. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Design Space account. Once you're logged in, click on New Project. When the blank canvas page opens, click on Upload. Select Upload Image. You can browse for the image on your computer or drag and drop it in. If you wasn't able to save your image with a transparent background in Canva, you can remove the background here.
Select the image and then unlock the lock icon. You can now resize the image.
After resizing, you can duplicate the labels. In Design Space, you can print 2 labels on the page. Next, you're going to group those 2 images together and attach them. Click Make It. You can save the project if you like. I'm just making sure I have my material size selected, which is an 8.5 by 11 page size. I'm going to select the machine that I'm going to be using and I'm going to send to printer. I'm going to turn off my bleed and I'm going to turn on the system dialog. I'm going to select glossy photo paper for my paper type and I want my print quality set to best. I really hope you all found the video helpful. I was rushing trying to get this video out for Teacher Appreciation Week. So if I miss anything or you all have questions, please feel free to drop me a comment. If you did find the video helpful, let me know by hitting that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. You can download the gum wrapper template by scanning this QR code or clicking the link in the description box.
As a Patreon member, you can download any of our templates and mockups for free as a thank you for your support. Check out our Patreon page for more details.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.